Good afternoon. It's Chris again. Welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to have a look around the Ford Transit Custom. This is the 290 short wheelbase. It's the 2 litre, 105 brake horsepower. So it's a Euro 6 ULEZ. Comes with full documented history. It's had the in-house custom colour-coded upgrade. There's plenty to offer inside. So we can take a look around this one. Comes with aircon. You've got front and rear parking sensors, cruise control. 3 seats in the front. Upholstery as clean as what you'd hope to see. Check under the seats. As you can see, upgraded head unit with a CD player. In the back you've got the mobile workshop racking, which is the bonus, so it's sorting more racking. You've got the little strip lights inside, plenty of light inside. So it's got the upgraded wiser deck flooring, it's heavy duty, non-slip. Yeah, if we just head round to the back of this one, as you can see, the rear parking sensors here. Check it out in the back. I think as workshop vans go, it hasn't had anything heavy or dirty inside of there. So we'll have a quick look in the driver's side. Have a look at the cab, what we've got to offer. As you can see, footwell, floor, seat and upholstery, that is as clean as what you'd hope to see. So what we've got in this one, as well as numerous cup holders for the coffees, for the Robinsons, you've got the CD player, aircon, as I say, 6-speed, the 105 brake horsepower. Here's the cruise control. Plenty to like about this one. So it's got the upgraded steering wheel, which, as you'd agree, they do look so much better. It's speed limited to 70 miles an hour. So throughout its life, it's been driven very carefully. Just another Transit Custom that we have available. Plenty in stock to choose from. As I say, this one, plenty to offer in the cab. Aircon, cruise control, you've got your sorting more racking in the back. It's done 74,000 miles. Full history with it. All vehicles, as we say, will come with a minimum 6 months MOT and a service if required. For all up-to-date stock and for the other customs that we have available, jump onto the website, which is www.carltonmotorco.co.uk, and I think you can agree this one is a very good example. Well, thanks for watching. That's it for today. Bye bye.